Good morning. Today we will study cyclic group. Cyclic permutation. First of all, a permutation of the type, if we write in the first row a1, a2, a3, an minus 1, an image of a1 is a1, image of a2 is a2, image of a3 is a3, image of an minus 1 is an image of an is a1, which is the first element in the first row, is called the cyclic permutation or a cycle. It is usually denoted by A1, A2 and An dash dash n. Thus, if F is a permutation of degree n on a set S having n distinct elements, and if it is possible to arrange some of the elements, say we take m elements of the set in a row such that F image of each element in this row is the element following it and the F image of last element in the row is the first element, and the remaining n minus 1 elements of the set S remain invariant under F, then F is called a cyclic permutation. The number of elements permuted by the cycle is called the length of a cycle. Thus, by the cycle of length 1, we mean a permutation in which the image of each element remain unchanged under a permutation F. So, the cyclic permutation of length 1 is the identity permutation. So, we may express cyclic permutation in one row symbol. In this notation, the elements of set are arranged in such a way that image of each element in this row is the element which follow it, and that of the last element is the first element. Those elements of S which remain invariant need not be written in the row. Let F is equal to, in first row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 3, image of 5 is 5 and image of 6 is 6. Let this be a given cyclic permutation. Since the images of 1, 2, 3, 4 are such that F1 is 1, F1 is 2, F2 is 4, F3 is 1 and F4 is 3. Therefore, we may express this cyclic permutation as 1, 2, 4, 3 because image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4 and image of 4 is 3. But 5 and 6 remain invariant. So, we have not written these elements in a row. So, the given cycle is a cycle of length 4 which contains element 1, 2, 4 and 3. We also call it 4 cycle. If the given permutation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in first row, image of 1 is given to be 2, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 6, image of 5 is 5, image of 6 is 3. In cycle notation, we may write it as 1, 2 because image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. Then 3, 4, 6 because image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 6 and image of 6 is 3. 5 is, image of 5 is 5, so it is a one cycle. It may be omitted while writing a cyclic notation. So now even and odd permutations. A permutation that can be expressed as a product of even number of two cycles is called a even permutation. A permutation that can be expressed as a product of an odd number of two cycles is called an odd permutation. The set of even permutation in Sn forms a subgroup of Sn. It may be easily verified. Now the alternating group of degree n. The group of even permutations of n symbols is denoted by an, and this is called the alternating group of degree n. In this set, the terms are alternating, means these are we have considered only even permutation of Sn. If n is greater than 1, an has factorial n upon 2 elements. This shows that Exactly half of the elements of Sn where n is greater than 1 are even permutation. Now transposition. A cycle of length 2 is called a transposition. For example, the cycle 1 3 is a transposition. It is a two cycle such that image of 1 is 3 and the image of 3 is 1 and the remaining missing elements are invariant. Now the disjoint cycles. Two cycles are said to be disjoint if when expressed in one row notations they have no element in common. There should not be any element in common in it. For example, 1, 3, 5 and 2, 6, 8, 9 are disjoint cycles. Here in these cycles there is no element in common in these cycles. 1, 3, 5 and 2, 3, 8, 9 are not disjoint cycle because 3 is the common element in both the cycles. Hence, every permutation of a finite set can be written as a cycle or as a product of disjoint cycles. If the pair of cycles A equal to A1, A2, Am and B equal to B1, B2, Bn have no entries in common, means they are disjoint cycles, then AB is equal to BA. Or we may say that product of disjoint cycles is commutative. The order of permutation of a finite set written in disjoint cycle form is the least common multiple of the lengths of the cycle. Every permutation in Sn for which n is greater than 1 is a product of two cycles. Now we will write the given permutation as the product of disjoint cycles. Suppose the given permutation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 where image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 5 and image of 5 is 1. Image of 6 is 6, image of 7 is 7, image of 8 is 9, image of 9 is 8. So we may rewrite as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 5 and image of 5 is 1. 6 is invariant, so it is a one cycle. 7 remains invariant. Image of 7 is 7, so it is also one cycle. Image of 8 is 9 and image of 9 is 8, so it is 8, 9. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8, 9. We have omitted the cycles of length 1 as they represent the identity transformation. Now how to determine even or odd permutations? If f equal to 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, we may rewrite as f equal to 1, 2, 1, 3 and this is again 1, 2. Hence f is a odd permutation as number of transpositions is equal to 3. If f is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it may be written as f equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 2, 3 may be written as 1, 2, 1, 3 and again 4, 5. Hence there are 7 transpositions 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4, 5. So f is odd permutation. Now inversions. Let a permutation be 1, in the first row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, I, j, dash, dash, dash up to n elements. And image of 1 is A1, image of 2 is A2, image of 3 is A3, image of I is AI, image of j is AJ, image of n is AN, where there are n elements in the upper row and elements of the lower row are the images of the corresponding element in first row. If we arbitrarily choose the pair IJ and the corresponding pair AI, AJ, if the difference of I minus j and ai minus j have the same sign, the pair ij is said to be regular with respect to the permutation. If I minus j and ai minus j has a different sign, then the pair is said to be, pair ij is said to be irregular. The number of irregular pairs in the permutation gives the number of inversions. Suppose we have the permutation 1, 2, 3, in which image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 1 and image of 3 is 2. If we consider first two elements, then 1 minus 2 is negative. Image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is positive. Hence there is 1 inversion. If we take last two elements, 2 minus 3 is negative, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 2, and therefore 1 minus 2 is also negative. Hence there is no inversion. If we take first and last element, 1 minus 3 is negative and image of 1 is 3, image of 3 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is positive. Hence there is one inversion. Therefore there are two inversions, 1, 2 and 1, 3. Cycle notation was first introduced by great French mathematician Cauchy in 1815. Cycle notation has a theoretical advantage in that certain important properties of the permutation can readily be determined when a cycle notation is used. Thank you.